I'm about to do big spin hurricane down to 10.
Have you done that before?
I done a lot of big spin front boards. I done a lot of hurricanes. I done that, but not here. I always wanted to do here, so make it happen right now.
He was telling me that Robert Neal bullies him with one of these, and he doesn't have one to fight back. So if you land it, we'll give you this gel blaster.
Okay, I'm shooting now. He got like 5 on my back, dude. That was like back to back to back to back. I'm gonna do a hurricane. Oh. Oh my God, hit the end.
How many tries do you think it'll take you to do the Bigspin hurricane?
Maybe a couple of tries, like 3, 5 the most. I'm gonna lay there right here. Yes, sir.
It's too easy for you.
Been practicing them.
2 tries? That's not even a full video.
I know.
People don't have the attention span anymore, so it'll be perfect. 2 tries, 2 gel blasters. Give it a nut.